While catalytic converter theft has made many news headlines in recent months, it's not exactly a new problem. What is a new problem, however, is the fact that the number of thefts continues to increase. According to a recent report from Carfax, approximately 153,000 catalytic converters were stolen in 2022 alone. This includes thefts that resulted in insurance claims, but also thefts that weren't covered by insurance. At our Tempe auto repair shop, we can attest to the increase in catalytic converter replacements after having completed just under 100 of them in 2022 ourselves. The increased prevalence of catalytic converter theft could be due to a variety of factors, such as unemployment rates or the pandemic, but regardless of why the number keeps rising, the reason behind the theft remains the same. Catalytic converters are anti-pollution devices that play a critical role in a vehicle's emissions system. Inside each converter, there are several precious metals, and that's what the thieves are after. The most common of these metals are platinum, palladium, and rhodium. They're used to convert harmful pollutants from vehicle exhaust into less harmful emissions, but they also have a high market value, making them attractive targets for thieves who can sell them for scrap metal. Where you live plays a significant role in whether or not your vehicle will be targeted for catalytic converter theft. As you might expect, thefts are more prevalent in high-population areas, but the type of vehicle matters too. According to Carfax, here are the top 10 vehicles that are most attractive to catalytic converter thieves in the Southwest. Number 1, Ford F-Series trucks. Number 2, Toyota Tundra. Number 3, Toyota Tacoma. Number 4, Chevrolet Silverado. Number 5, Toyota Prius. Number 6, Honda Accord. Number 7, Ford Expedition. Number 8, Honda CR-V. Number 9, Mitsubishi Outlander. And number 10, Ford Explorer. Why are these vehicles so popular? In most cases, it's because the catalytic converters are easily accessible and can be removed with just a little bit of work. For hybrids, such as the Prius, it's because their catalytic converters have a higher concentration of precious metals. If you drive one of these vehicles, you already have a target on your back, but rather than getting a different vehicle, there are some things you can do to reduce your risk. Number 1, park in well-lit areas. A would-be thief may think twice if they're more likely to be seen. Number 2, park where video surveillance can see your vehicle. If this doesn't prevent theft altogether, it could at least help authorities identify and catch a thief. Number 3, park in a locked garage or manned parking lot whenever possible. Number 4, utilize your local auto repair shop's theft deterrent services. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Number 5, be sure your car alarm is set when your vehicle is not in use. At Good Works Auto Repair, we know how frustrating it can be when your vehicle isn't available for use. Add an expensive auto repair bill like a catalytic converter replacement, and the situation becomes even more unbearable. That's why we do whatever we can to keep you on the road or get you back on the road as soon as possible. Our catalytic converter theft deterrent services can help you combat today's high theft rates and include painting the catalytic converter orange, etching your vehicle identification number onto the converter, and installing a shield over the converter for extra security. Simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today. We make it easy to protect your vehicle and your wallet.